Hey everybody, Varun here once again from Language Academy. I've got Suki with me. Guys, very first attempt, a perfect 90 with 19 speaking, 90 listening, 85 is reading and 85 is writing, a great score. Congratulations Suki, well done.
You.
From the very first day we knew that you were going to do it, but you've got a perfect score. That's something outstanding. How was your experience being the first time test taker? What do you think is important for the exam? Is it your English or you need a lot of practice, you need a lot of mock tests? What do you think is the most important factor?
Look, I think having good English helps, but I don't think it would help me achieve the score I wanted. I think the strategies that the tutors provided me has helped a lot, and the other one is a lot of hard work.
That's right.
Helped me achieve the score.
That's right.
Yeah.
So you were quite regular to the lab sessions as well, right? You used to come at straight after work as well.
Yeah.
How important are lab sessions and mock tests? You took a lot of mock tests and you took a mock test day before your exam as well, right? How important are they?
I think they are very important because it helps me realize what my weak points are and actually can work on those parts that I'm not so good at and then improve them and help me get the score eventually I want it, because if it's not for the lab sessions or the mock test, I won't be able to know which part I should spend more time working on, and the tutors are very helpful. They always give me one-on-one feedbacks.
That's right. So guys, very important you get proper feedback and you do a lot of mock tests before you sit for your exam, because that is how you know what weakness you have or what are the areas you need to work on, and that's how you'll smash your exam. Because before your exam you were quite nervous that will I be able to do it or not. So you worked on your right areas or weak areas, and then this is the secret to success in PT, guys. Any final advice for students who are preparing for the exam or who are planning to go for the exam? They think their English is pretty good. Any advice for them, please?
I think even if your English is really good, you still need a lot of hard work and practice. And I don't think I can do it without the strategies provided by Language Academy. I really recommend them for if you want to get it the first go. It is possible, and to really have the materials there to help you and the tutors there to give you advice really helps me.
That's right guys. Hard work is very important, but working hard in the right direction is very important in PT, because you may think that yes, my English skills are very important, and they are important as well, but the fact is that it's more about strategy and how to use those skills and how to implement the strategies to smash it with a perfect score. Congratulations once again. Well done. That's it guys, I'll see you very soon. Thanks guys.